Alex Coffey at TD Ameritrade joins us now for the Trader Rundown. Hello to you.
Hello, thanks for having me.
A busy day. What do you think traders are mostly watching for here in the market?
Gosh, there's so many things converging at once right now, whether it's economic data, whether it's the Fed, and we had so many Fed speakers this week, of course, highlighted by Jerome Powell to end this week, but it's still China-U.S. trade front and center. You look at every major market move we've seen over the past couple of weeks, and of course the positive sentiment coming out towards the end of this week from China saying they're going to come over here and speak with the U.S. here in October, really broke this market to the upside out of that range that we've been in from about 28.50 to 29.50.
You have a couple of tech stocks that you're watching here, starting with Netflix.
Yeah, so Netflix is one that's very interesting because obviously it was a darling for so many years and really just a strong performer. It's the N in the FANG, and you look at it and it's really kind of disappointed lately, especially after earnings, as it's traded sub 300 here. But traders are looking at this and they can't deny the fact that you have Disney and Apple and traditional media coming in and Amazon and all trying to take away this market share in the streaming space from Netflix. But still, Netflix, one of the premier names in that space, traders cautiously bullish on this, looking to sell the 280, 275 SEP put verticals below the market for around $1 to kind of get a little bit of long exposure.
And then Square is also on your list.
Square is an interesting one because you look at the U.S. economy, it's really been driven by a strong consumer. Square also disappointed on its last earnings announcement after having an incredible run over the last couple of years. But when you look at Square, traders are looking to this name as a potential chance to get into one of these consumer-driven stocks that's maybe a little bit oversold as opposed to overbought, like the likes of Walmart or Target or a PayPal or a Visa. All these names getting close to their all-time or 52-week highs. Square, on the other hand, sold off quite a bit, so they're looking to get involved on the long side. 62.5, 65 call verticals being purchased. So not being sold in this case, being purchased for a risk one to make one trade in the SEP monthly expiration.
Well, thank you so much for your Trader Talk today, Alex.
Thanks for having me.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.